friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I am almost to 700 subscribers, slowly but surely working my way up. I pre-cleaned in here because it was a disaster and I knew I did not have time to film a whole cleaning video, but I do still have some finishing cleaning to do in here, so it will be a little bit of cleaning motivation. Let's get into it. I'm finally getting out my fall kitchen decorate with me. I definitely probably decorated back in August, maybe very beginning of September. It's just been very, very busy, but I'm back into the swing of things. My next video after this one will actually be my 2024 Christmas decor haul. So I'll just show you the few things that I picked up so far for this season. Super excited to start decorating. Let me know when you all will start decorating for Christmas and for the winter season. I've already been seeing people have already put up their Christmas decor, so I don't feel like I'm behind. I think like after the decor haul, the next one will be Christmas decorating. I think I'm gonna do my gingerbread entryway, so I'm super excited about that one. Do you all decorate seasonally, or do you just pretty much keep up like decor that can go around all season? I think most people will decorate for like Christmas, but I don't know that everybody decorates for all the other seasons. I definitely like to change up my decor. I get bored easily with it, and I think it's cute and fun, and I just like to switch it up. I don't like to keep the same thing going all year round. This was pretty cute though, like the summer decor. I actually really did enjoy it, but so glad to have changed that over to fall. And then I'll be even more glad once we get to decorating my gingerbread kitchen. By the way, since you see my Halloween Town sweatshirt, I got that off Etsy. What is your favorite fall or Halloween movie? I would love to know in the comments. And my favorite by far is Hocus Pocus, followed by a very close Halloween Town. Even after all of these years, those two are still my favorite. I used to know all the words to Hocus Pocus. You can ask my family, they'll tell you. I used to know every single word to Hocus Pocus. Now I'm trying to think. I probably know the majority of the words now, but I definitely don't know it like I used to. But definitely one of those just like comfort movies. Did you all watch Hocus Pocus 2? And if you did you like it? I watched it, but I didn't see like the full thing from beginning to end because at the time I was filming a video for my cooking channel. Excuse me. And I was like throwing together like fall treats or Halloween treats for like a party, and so I didn't get to watch the whole thing, and I haven't went back. My kids saw it and they did not think it was as good as the first one, and the majority of the reviews came out and said the same thing, that it just was not as good as the first one, which typically that's how it happens. When you do a sequel, it almost can never top the first one.
blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the
So I realized right there is a little bear. So I think I'm gonna add one more garland right there.
Troubles wide. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain. Because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday.
Okay. So I think over here, I want it to kind of look like a fall bakery. That's what's in my head. So we'll see. I got this super cute faux apple pie from Michael's. You would have seen that in my fall haul.
Like you wanna do, like 24, 24/7, like 24, 24 heaven. Oh, instead I'm thinking of strangers, I'm thinking of haters, I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking of payday, worried I won't make it. First I think of a delicate thing and then of a break it. I'm thinking of habits, yeah, all of the bad bits. Wish there was a sequel, not tell the good parts and I could have it. But mama says bad days unnecessary. The only way to notice a good day, and I guess it makes sense what she said. But I'm hoping for good days. Mama says bad days unnecessary, but I'm hoping for good days.
And I'm over here just trying to find like a fall themed recipe to display on this cookbook stand. I think I told you guys in one of my other not cooking cleaning, like of my kitchen video, decorating or something like that, I showed you that I got the Delicious Miss Brown cookbook, and she has a delicious looking sweet potato cheesecake recipe. So that's what I kind of stumbled upon, and I definitely want to actually try this recipe out this fall. It looks amazing. I had a friend, shout out to Jasmine if she's watching this right now, but she came for Thanksgiving a few years ago, and she brought a sweet potato cheesecake with her. It was amazing. So I definitely want to try this for myself.
You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah, 'cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know.
And then the quintessential fall candle, this Bath & Body Works pumpkin pecan waffles. It smells so good. It definitely has amazing throw. I'm sure you guys know about it. You probably have it too, but it is amazing. Okay, these florals gave me a run for my money. You will see me change up how I do this about a million times. Nothing really looked right to me in here. Like these particular florals that I got, the first ones with the actual flowers and stuff on there, not the leaves, but the flowers. I got them from Walmart, and I thought it was really cute when I first got it, but it did not look good in here. And then I tried it in my other vase next to the sink. That one at first did not look right. I just had to do a lot of like playing around with it. And so I think that's what you should do though, until you're actually happy with it. And sometimes honestly I have to like step away and be like, come back a couple days later, because I just cannot get it right. And I think that's okay.
A whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying. Don't be like you, I don't wanna be like you. It's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying. Don't be like you, I don't wanna be like you.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude.
So this is what I was talking about. This is the other vase that also gave me so much trouble. I think in the end it came together really cute, but man, I will not be buying these florals again. I'll probably use them again next year because I've already spent the money, but next year I will remember that I did not like these. Like I said, the end result is pretty good, but it was very ridiculously annoying.
Inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless.
Okay, and then for whatever reason, I mean, when I finished this video, I think it was probably 1 or 2 in the morning, so I was so exhausted. I accidentally did not film the correct way I'm filming on my phone since my camera broke, and I did not flip it the way it was supposed to be. So it looks, you'll see like the little black boxes on the outside, so sorry about that, but I just wanted to show you a quick ending clip of how everything turned out. Definitely let me know down below what your favorite area that I decorated, or not favorite area, I guess favorite item that I used today, or favorite part of the kitchen. And thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.